Hello everyone, it's Works. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem. So let's say just bought a domain and a website, like you bought a domain with an SSL certificate, which usually shows here as this website is secured or something like that. But you started the WordPress website, you worked on it, whatever. But once you visit your website, you see this. Connection is not secure. Logins uncertain on this page could be compromised. Yeah, so this is an SSL problem, which you can fix it simply by going to the dashboard, head over to plugins. See, you'll see on some page it shows connection is not secure. Parts of the page, some pages will show it is secure, so it's not stable at all. So in order to make it work perfectly, alright, go to plugins, add new, and look for really simple SSL. Yes, it's really simple, you will see why. Install it. Wait for it to install. Alright, good. Activate it. Almost ready to migrate to SSL. Go ahead and activate SSL. Good. Yeah, now let's go to our websites. Let's refresh, and here you go. Connection, secure connection. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. See you later in another tutorial. Bye.